You are running yourself into the ground, trying to maintain an identity that doesn't exist. You walk through streets like this, scanning for highlights, landmarks, postcard angles, the places designed to be admired. You rush past the exact ground that could actually fix you. Here's the part you will always ignore. An ordinary street doesn't care about your profile. It shows you exactly who you are, not the version you post, but the version you live. Right now, in the street nobody cares about, you see your real habits, how you move, how you think, how you react when nothing special is happening. And that's the part of your life that decides everything. People love big goals, big dreams, big declarations, but your future is built in places like this. Quiet, repetitive, unremarkable. If you can't stay present here, you won't stay present anywhere. Stay with me. The real lesson is coming. Look at the buildings framing this pavement. They're worn, they're cracked. They've survived decades of weather, neglect, and change. Not because they're beautiful, but because they're resilient. Resilience is not romantic. It's not dramatic. It's repetitive. It's boring. It's built on silence. Everyone wants intensity. Almost nobody wants consistency. You think you're overwhelmed, but you're actually under-disciplined. Consistency is the only thing that actually changes your life. Every step you take right now is a test. Do you drift? Do you rush? Do you avoid the quiet because it forces you to face yourself? Most people do. They drown themselves in noise so they never have to hear their own thoughts. But this street doesn't give you noise. What it gives you is truth. And truth is uncomfortable. But it's almost the only thing that makes you stronger. You start noticing the rhythm of your walk, the tension in your shoulders, the excuses you carry, the thoughts you repeat, the stories you tell yourself to avoid doing real work. This is where discipline lives, not in motivation, not in inspiration, and the tiny choices you make when nobody is watching. The Stoics didn't wait for perfect conditions. They built character in dull moments, because dull moments are the majority of life. This street isn't just quiet. It's honest in ways you aren't. And here's the punchline. If you master the ordinary, you become unstoppable in the extraordinary. So keep walking. Feel the weight of the street. Feel the honesty of it. Feel how it strips away everything fake. This is the part of the city that sharpens you. This is the part that tests you. This is the part that builds you. Not the landmark moments, not the highlights, not the beautiful angles. This right here. The street nobody photographs. Because the people who learn from places like this become the people everyone else tries to imitate. You've been waiting for your life to change, while your life has been waiting for you. So walk with intention. Walk with awareness. Walk like you're building something, because you are. In the end, the street didn't change you. You changed because you finally listened.